Today, you and I are checking out the WeatherTech Undersink mat. I've got a couple things I'm curious about. The first one being that these ridges are different heights. So how will that perform? How will the water expand during a leak test? As well as how much does this mat hold? Now we have the perfect fit. I've got a half gallon of water here because I'm not sure how much water this was truly gonna hold. It's definitely gonna be less than the other mats that I've tried out. And I'm also assuming that the camera stand right here, the tripod, isn't going to hold a lot of water, because what I really want is for the camera to roll and see what happens on those far ridges. See if my guess is right. It'll hold half a gallon. And there we are, full up on the bottom. It looks like the low-lying area is over here on the front right. Interesting, just like it was on the other ones. And we're holding half a gallon without going over, but I can see we are about to go over the lip. The water is definitely higher. Oh, the water is definitely higher all the way around, but it's still holding that half gallon. Half gallon number 2. Oh, it's still going. Oh, we got a break and it's on the other side. Ah. All right, I'm a little nervous at this point. It's definitely higher on the other side. So you can see on the far end over there, that one's totally full. And this one is not. So I chose wrong. I'm not trying this again, because you can see right now how far up the water is over the lip. So it is time to clean this up. What are we looking at? Less than a gallon. So we've determined that the WeatherTech Undersink bathroom mat holds just under a gallon of water. You can see it's holding really well, but this is now a high risk situation that last time ended up with water spilling over. So I will see you in the next video with the cleanup.